IC Markets Raw Spread versus Standard Account. So in this 2025 comparison, let's break down the key differences and help you choose the right account type. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with the Raw Spread account. This type offers ultra-low spreads starting from zero point 0.0 pips, ideal for scalpers and high-volume traders. However, it charges a commission, typically around 3 to 3.5 USD per lot per side. And now for the standard account. It has no commission fees, but spreads are slightly higher, usually starting from 1.0 pip. This makes it more straightforward for beginner traders who prefer all-in-one pricing. So, here's how they compare. Number 1, trading costs. Raw spread has lower spreads but with commissions, while standard account has no commissions but wider spreads, making it better for small volume trades. Number 2, execution. Both accounts offer the same execution speed, server performance, and platform options like MT4, MT5, and CTrader. Number 3, strategy suitability. Raw spread is better for scalping and algorithmic trading, while standard is more suitable for swing traders or beginners who want simple cost structures. Number 4, minimum deposit. Both accounts require $200 minimum and both allow leverage up to 1 is to 500. So in conclusion, you can go for the raw spread if you are trading frequently or with large volumes. And you can stick with the standard account if you are just starting or you prefer simpler pricing. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.